Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to power on an HP docking station step-by-step power guide. Step 1. Connect to AC power. First, plug your HP dock's AC adapter into the dock and a wall outlet. Step 2. Link the dock to laptop. Then connect the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the dock to your HP laptop. Step 3. Turn on. Once done, press the power button, typically located on the top or side of the dock, to power on the station and your connected laptop. The LED indicator on the button will illuminate. Additional setup and troubleshooting tips. Review these key operational steps for a flawless experience. Power button functionality. You can use the power button on most HP docking stations to turn the laptop on even when the laptop lid is closed. Firmware updates. If your dock isn't turning on or registering peripherals, ensure your laptop's BIOS and dock drivers are up to date using the HP customer support page. Troubleshooting. If your computer does not wake up properly while docked in modern standby, you may need to open the laptop lid to resume power or adjust your HP power options. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos,